Hi guys, welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this gorgeous crochet wig using expression braiding hair. Yes, this is braiding hair, guys, and this hair is so beautiful. If you want to see how I achieved this hair, then keep on watching.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
So to start, I use this expression braiding hair in color 33. Guys, I'm going to put every material I used in the description box, so please go check that out. And I cut this hair in 2 equal halves. Taking one half, I'm going to start feathering the ends. This is to take away the blunt cut look, to give it a more natural look. After that, I'll take a comb and comb through the hair, but before that I'm separating the hair in half so that it will be easier to comb and detangle. So if you've watched this video up to this point, I know it's a bit too early, but please, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And when you've watched through the video, you can leave a comment or two to outline what you think I should improve on. Back to the video, this detangling process is really important, so you have to do it really well. And then I'm using a cream. This is just a regular hair cream. You can use any hair cream you have just to give it that shine, and I'm going to put it in a knot and complete all those sections. So in the end I had 4 sections of hair. Remember, I cut it in half, and then each half I split it into while detangling. So guys, this is the net I used. I bought this whole net for 300 naira. I don't know what it's called, but I just told them I needed a closure net and they gave this to me. I cut out a 5 by 3 inch closure. I cut that twice, so I had 2 of that. And just watch the video. This measurement, like I said, is 5 by 3 inches. So I try to make this video as detailed as I can. Moving on, I sewed this closure to the wig cap using a needle and a thread. I just did a regular stitch. So as you can see, I'm not starting to sew from the beginning. I took an inch and I started sewing. I did this because I didn't want that knot to show at the beginning. I also did this when I ended the stitch. I went backward a bit before tying a knot.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna.
So the easy part is done. Now moving on to the hard part. This is the crochet hook I used all through the hair. So guys, to start, I crocheted this hair onto the hair as shown in the video. However guys, the hair I chose was too big, and when I finished everything, finished the wig, I found out that this part was lumpy, so I took down all this hair you can see me putting in now. I'm just telling you what I did. So this part I would say is not necessary. Just go ahead and start ventilating your closure. This part was not really necessary for me. Along the way I decided to cut out the black part of the cap to review the lace. Is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. I used the chalk to mark the center of the net. Guys, make sure this line is really straight. Mine wasn't straight, so I'm going to crochet here along the sides of the line to give it that even middle part. I used 3 or 2 strands of hair to ventilate, and I just tied it once. I did the basic crochet method by knotting it once.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack it.
So I would say take your time, especially if you're like me and this is your first time doing this type of work. I'll just say take your time. It took me about a week to finish this wig. The closure alone took me 5 days, and then the rest part of the hair, because I'll just do maybe 2 or 3 hours per day, and while I'm doing that I'm watching a movie. So I was just not really serious about it, but I feel like if you're serious you can finish the hair in maybe 3 days.
The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight.
So I'm using a chalk to mark out lines at the back of the hair, and I'm going to crochet hair on these lines. Guys, at the front I didn't really mark it well because it was really scanty, so I had to go back in to add more hair. So make sure the front part is really packed because it will just hide any imperfections.
A year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So after completing the wig, I made sure to brush it very well, as much as I could, to make sure there are no tangles or any knots.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So I'm showing how the back is packed full with hair so that it does not show any knot.
A pair of jeans, a shirt.
Make sure the water is not too hot, and if possible do a test trial, like test parts of the hair to make sure it doesn't burn.
Love will give us what we like.
So I put the wig in hot water 2 times. The first time I put it, I allowed it to air dry completely. It had this coils in it, this water wave coils, which I didn't like, so I brushed it out, and after brushing it out it looked so full, like I couldn't wear it. It was so full, so I had to put it in hot water again, but this time I didn't allow it to dry. After taking out from hot water, I immediately brushed it out while adding leave-in conditioner, and yeah, I think that's better. We are finally done. I added foundation to the lace part of the wig. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I also keep you updated when I drop all the videos. If you want to see how I rock this hair, go follow me on Instagram at Ellacherries. That is Ella_cherries.
Home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in.